Success people, they focus on more education. How many of you do agree? I'm going to tell you today the things. Clarity is important. So before you, clarity is required to know the things that where to invest yourself. Success people, they are very clear. They focus in their whole life education. They invest in themselves. They talks, they share, they wherever they get, they work and focus upon all the aspects where their goal is going to achieve. Whatever the front they want. Any walk of our life, you see successful people from the sports to actor, author to speaker, even great leader, politician to professionalism. You see any career, they see it, they talk about it, they realize it, that education investing is more powerful than any investment. Educating yourself, that is the one of the most important factor, can transform your life. Number two, in their whole experience, they understand that experience make them one's expertise in that particular area where they invest. For example, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. सपोज आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं, आप अपना सब्जेक्ट में एक्सपर्टाइज कब हो सकते हैं? एक ही सब्जेक्ट, एक ही टीचर और एक ही किताब, लेकिन रिजल्ट इज डिफरेंट. ऐसा क्यों? कभी सोचा है? इट्स नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ जीनियस, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी, पुटिंग योर लेबर, even investing in your education. That give you experience, they become expertise in that particular area. मैंने in my 20 years experience मैंने देखा बच्चों को, they were so happy. They talk, they consistently with the teacher, they talks with their gurus, even whom they believe that who can change their life. That consistency, their effort and their curiosity to know the things, how that comes. And if you see, there are some students, even they are creative, they are innovative, but they never ask because fear factor is there. So that stuck their experience. That's why I told you one thing. First, focus on your investment. Focus on your investment in education. More you focus in your learning part, you will be helpful for your experience. And that consistency can help to grow your experience. And third is very, very essential to you. I can tell you important is, that is environment. What kind of environment you live in? Can we create in a negative environment positive spirit? Can we develop positive spirit even it is surrounded by the totally negative people? How? That is discovered by the successful people. They focus not on others' comment, others' opinion, others' behavior. That's not their part of life. They focus again in investing themselves. So whenever you are educating yourself, that feed your mind to refresh the good things, add values, at the same time remove the other things. You understand the good and bad. You understand which is very, very essential to you. At the second time is when you consistently work on that, you will get the experience that yes, this is working, this part is not working. Third one is, that is what I told you, that is create your environment. So nobody going to hamper you, nobody going to disturb you, nobody going to doubt you in your education, because you have already learned all the things through your experience and you reached your environment. So whenever I'm talking about the people, even employee, if you are employee, If you are working somewhere else, any company, any work-up company, any place, if you are a student, you can create your own environment. You can create. That is up to you. So focus on three things. That three strategy can help you to grow into a next level. Number one, education. That is need to you invest. What is your goal? That on behalf of that you have to focus on that. Number two is that is very essential. Consistency. Through consistency you can expertise in your own area. Third one is with your awareness you can act any circumstance. That is what people call proactively. You can work on that. What is you call take the initiative that yes, this is my world, I can change my world, I cannot change others' world. So changing others' world is painful before changing your world. So change your world first, your destiny first. Focus on there. Invest in your education. You will make a miracle for your life. Thank you.